How to remove payment methods on eBay. So let's get started. First of all, open eBay in your internet browser. Then make sure that you are signed into your eBay account. After that, click My eBay on the top right. You can find this button next to the bell icon in the upper right corner of the page. It will open your account summary. If you are not already signed in, you will be prompted to sign in here to continue. Now click the account tab on the My eBay page. You can find this button next to activity and messages below the My eBay summary heading. After that, click on the personal information on the left menu. You'll find a navigation menu on the left hand side of the account page. Click this option under the My account heading on the menu. Find your credit card in the financial information section. All your saved credit card and debit cards are listed here. Then click the remove button next to the card you want to remove. You can find the remove button on the right hand side of the page across the card type and number. This will immediately remove the selected credit card from your account and permanently delete your card information. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.